Hi everyone. Today we are going to dive into a question that affects millions of Americans. Why is insulin still so expensive in the US? You might be shocked to hear this. Insulin costs less than $10 to make, but patients in the US are charged over $300 for a single vial. How is that even possible? Let's start with a little background about insulin. Insulin was first discovered in 1921, hundreds of years ago. Its inventors sold the patent for just $1 because they believed this life saving drug should be available to everyone. Fast forward to 2025 to today, and insulin has become a $20 billion industry. How did we go from affordable access to pricing gouging? The answer lies in the market control. Three companies, Eli Lilly, Novo Nordisk, and Sanofi, dominate the US insulin market. Together, they control 90% of it. Now, here is where it gets tricky. These companies often raise their prices in sync. This practice is known as shadow pricing. So even though competition should bring pricing down, it doesn't because these major players are essentially pricing together, not against each other. Another big part of it is the problem in US drug pricing system. In the most other countries, the government negotiates the drug pricing, but in the US, drug manufacturers can set whatever price they want to, and there is no national level program for negotiation to stop them. Now let's talk about the middleman thing. Between the manufacturers and the patients, there is a long chain which involves wholesalers, pharmacy benefit managers, or pharmacy and insurance companies. Each one adds their own markup, fees, and rebates. And now you know who ends up paying for all? It's the patient. Even the manufacturers offer rebates. They often go to the insurance company for or PBM, not directly to the person buying the insulin. So the price at the pharmacy counter stays so high. Now you might ask why not just a generic or cheaper version is available there. Here is the catch. Insulin is not a typical chemical drug. It's a biologic, which means it's made from living cells. That makes it even harder or more expensive to copy. We do have some biosimilar insulins which are like generics, but they are not identical, and companies face legal roadblocks when trying to bring them to the US market. Some brand name companies file dozens of overlapping patents, known as patent thickets, just to block cheaper alternatives. So, what's being done about all this? In 2023, the US government passed the Inflation Reduction Act, which kept insulin price at $35 a month for seniors on Medicare. It's a step in the right direction, but if you are under 65 or uninsured, you could still be paying hundreds of dollars per month. Recently, some manufacturers announced price cut, but only after years of public pressure. And many of those cuts don't even apply across all insulin types or to all patients. So question is what you can do right now to lower the prices of insulin. First, check if you qualify for a patient assistance program. Many insulin makers offer discounted or even free insulin under certain conditions. Second, talk to your doctor or pharmacist about the biosimilar options if those are available. They might help reduce your cost depending on your insurance. And third, support advocacy groups that are pushing for fair drug pricing in the US. This problem won't go away until we fix the system that created it. If this video helped you understand the insulin pricing crisis, please consider giving it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's keep pushing for a healthcare system that works for everyone. Thank you for watching.